morning. Welcome to another Nature Walk Talk. Well, I cross this bridge every day, and today I heard the water babbling, and I don't think I've ever heard that before. Usually it's just very quiet and very peaceful, and today it's making quite a lot of noise. That's because the water's running so quickly, really running fast under the bridge. And it brought to mind sometimes, we have to look and see, why is everybody running so fast? What's the reason? What's going on? Especially when you're having your own quiet pace. And so this morning I stopped and I looked, and I haven't quite figured out what the reason is yet. But it did make me stop, and it did make me question. So, go into nature. You never know what you're going to find. You never know what questions will come to your mind. So thank you for joining me for another Nature Walk Talk.